Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Avionics Tech channel.
Since 1940s, helicopters have become a mainstay facilitating troop and equipment movement in both battlefield conditions and during normal operations. The Sikorsky UH-60 Blackhawk is a twin-engine military helicopter that has been in service since the late 1970s. The Blackhawk boasts a 50-foot-long fuselage and can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Known for its versatility and 9,000-pound carrying capacity, the Blackhawk can safely transport 11-seated troops in and out of a combat zone. It can be equipped with a range of rockets, missiles, and other weapons, depending on the missions. Requirements in recent years, the U.S. military has sought out new uses for helicopters of all sizes and types. This in turn has led to new partnerships and new designs like the Sikorsky Boeing SB-1 DEFIANT. This compound medium-lift helicopter is still under development but looks likely to join the next phase of the United States Army's Vertical Lift Program. This refers to a plan to develop a new family of helicopters sharing common hardware to replace aging models like the AW-64 Apache, the CH-47 Chinook, and even the Blackhawk. The Defiant is intended to have a cruise speed of 280 miles per hour. To its unique pusher motor design, this will also offer a 50% better performance in high-hot hover operations. Flight tests of the SB-1 Defiant show the aircraft's unique capabilities, including enhanced speed and maneuverability. Its coaxial rotors moving in opposite directions, both hovering and forward flight, are extremely smooth, while its external load capabilities are so far rated to around 5,300 pounds. Most impressive is the helicopter's ability to land and take off in extremely confined spaces, a feature that will prove incredibly helpful when it begins serving in frontline operations. Other tests confirm the SB-1's ability to bank at up to 60 degrees and to perform quick brake turns when required, has also performed tests with just one rotor operational. On January 13, 2020, the DEFIANT.X performed its first speed test, during which it achieved speeds over 115 miles per hour for the first time later. Trials would see it more than double this rate of speed with little issue. This video also provides an excellent close-up view of the Defiant's low-level maneuverability, which will help it employ new evasive tactics in the field when it comes to quickly moving troops and cargo from one place. To another, the U.S. military puts a lot of trust in the tilt-rotor V-22 Osprey vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that function as part helicopter, part airplane. The Osprey is the result of a collaboration between Bell and Boeing. The MV-22 is easily one of the most versatile aircraft in existence, combining the functionality of a conventional helicopter with the range and speed of a turboprop aircraft. "57 feet long, the Osprey can carry up to 32 troops at a time. It can also carry up to 20,000 pounds via its internal cargo hold and up to 15,000 pounds externally. Perhaps most importantly, the Osprey can reach speeds up to 350 miles per hour. Bell and Lockheed Martin recently began collaboration on a new tilt-rotor aircraft which may fly alongside and eventually replace the V-22. It's been dubbed the V-280 Valor, and like the SB-1 Defiant is part of the Future Vertical Lift program. The Valor had its first flight in December of 2017 and has proved very impressive as far as its potential combat capabilities are concerned. 280 is roughly the same size as the Osprey and boasts a cruise speed of around 320 miles per hour. As a second-generation tilt-rotor aircraft designed by the same company, a lot of knowledge went into making the Valor more versatile, more maneuverable, and able to quickly adjust to different mission types.